Hey, welcome to Big Creek Expeditions. Let's talk about the Upper Pigeon River trip. It consists of 12 Class 3 and 3 Class 4 rapids. You're sure to leave here wet from your mullet to your sandals. It's a right splashy, fun trip that takes approximately an hour and a half to complete, and you're going to need to get yourself some secure footwear. None of them flip flops or bare feet. Anything with a strap around the heel should do just fine. Bring them little uns along with you. Just make sure they got 8 years of life experience or some meat on their bones to the sum of about 70 pounds or so. Ain't no need to know how to swim none neither. You're going to get crammed into one of them PFDs or people floating doodads. We can't hardly wait to throw you in a raft and show you the beauty of the Upper Pigeon River.